Bitman Crypto. In this video, I'm just talk about the XTC, what exactly going on because the latest update is coming up. If you love the technology, if you really want to know how to make money from the cryptocurrency, this is a very good platform for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also get a latest update regarding XTC and other altcoin related. So let's quickly go ahead and get into the latest update regarding XTC. What exactly the partnership is it and what exactly the latest update is going on. So let's get into the detail first of all. And look at this one. I want to share with this article. You can see right now the XTC and a lot of other company joining this seminars. What really happened, you can see right now. They say that keep an eye on the fund, fund society my, and the partnership with this Trade Phoenix. Why the Trade Phoenix is so famous, he said, because we know that what happened. They say that they already have this much of informations, and also they already have these are the platform, the USDC and SGD, DAI and USDC. Everyone know that what exactly the USDT is it and DAI, and that these are trade finance, and they already say that the market and aggregation technology powered by the XDC network. So this is the main important thing you need to understand. They already mentioned this XDC network in this article, you can see. So why I'm so bullish about it, why I'm looking a future in XDC, why I'm making a video on the XDC again and again and providing a latest update to you guys, just because you guys update every single time. You know the technology, how the technology growing like a fruit, when the fruit is growing and when it just tastes like a very sweet, and everyone like that. So what happened, because everyone love good fruit. No one like a rotten fruit, just like that, the rotten coin, shit coin, we can say like that. So let's get into the other thing is like how many other the partnership is going on, because I know that this is not only the thing they did. Other thing is that China System and these Cargo X Limited go extra mile, and ITFA the incentive by these combined EBL. So basically these are the very international based finance sector people, those who have dealing with this some trade finance system, and they are that what happened to China is have a lot of transaction in their ecosystem. Also the China have a major, have a lot of cryptocurrency supported by the China country. So what happened, they know the benefit of these currencies, that they know the future is currencies. They love that they're listing only those things, those who have a a lot of good potential on it. So the other thing is the big announcement done by these XTC is shopping.io. This is a massive announcement done by the XTC, and I love that. I already make a thumbnail regarding this one, and why I'm so bullish about it, because I want to share with you a little bit information about this one, why I'm so serious about this shopping.io. Because you know that what happened, the shopping and retail industry, and that they directly linked with China. So China is a big market where the lot of some kind of product are send it to all over the world. No matter is a China, no matter is a Canada, no matter is America, no matter is Australia, no matter is some European country, they send it these product to the all over the all over the globe. And what happened, they're dealing with this kind of things in order to increase the use case of XTC. They're looking for future in XTC, because XTC providing these financial trade feature to their holders and merchants, because merchant playing a big role in XTC in future. A lot of people is ignoring this. They said that, yeah, why Travis you talk about the XTC is good, why you didn't talk about the XRP is not good. A lot of people say that. I already read a lot of comment regarding this one. They, oh, one of the guys they say that like, Travis, I already say that your comparison is not good, because you're just comparing the XRP and XTC. They are not, both are not same. I agree with that. I know that you guys thinking about this thing not gonna be like that. I just want to share the Coda. If you hear about the Coda, what exactly is it, just get into their details. Let me provide more information about it, so you can clear your old out what exactly going on in your mind. So I'm just quickly go ahead again. Other thing, the what exactly the shopping.io providing to the customers, and what exactly is it. This is a shopping site is present on the United States or in the China. What exactly they are doing, look at this one, the crypto shopping experience. Buy from the Amazon, Walmart and eBay with over the 100 in cryptocurrency. They're accepting almost 100 cryptocurrency. They're including the XTC in their platform. And how many the companies supporting this website, you can see Amazon, eBay, Walmart, AliExpress. They, why are they putting the AliExpress, because we know that the China is a major part playing in this this kind of a trade finance, because I know that China always did same things again and again. They're looking for those cryptocurrency, those have very good potential for this trade finance, those who playing a big role in the trade finance. That is the reason why XTC is the number one. And one more thing I just want to share with you, that how many people using a shopping site, how many transaction is going on. they're looking for the use case. If you the XTC provided already smart contract feature is a way faster than Ethereum, way faster than BTC, and way faster than other cryptocurrencies. They have a very good potential. They already have own ecosystem. If you really want to create some kind of contract in XTC, you can do it on your side. Don't depend on other people. So what happened next? Let me get into again that website, because this eBay and the AMB crypto and the feature and the bitcoin.com and partners, MCX and Electronum and a lot of boards and a lot of the partners is playing a big role in this platform. You can see the free no discount, free shipping, and for the domestic US people, they're providing a US people shipping. Like if you really want to buy some kind of product, so they're providing a very amazing feature to the US customers. Look at this one. US customer and China manufacturing some kind of product and send it to the US, and which currency they are accepting for this payment transaction? XTC, guys. So XTC playing a big role in future. Mark this one. I'm big fan of it just because the use case of this thing is day by day keep increasing. I really appreciate that. That is the reason why I'm making this video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, also press the bell icon so you didn't miss any kind of update from my side.